This is Highland Pellets flyover, June 10th, 2016. We're currently flying over the North Plant Road. To our right is lines 4, 3, 2, and 1. To our left is the plant laydown yard. The large foundation to our right is the chief bins. We're now coming along down going south along the east road. The dark road is being highlighted as the complete portion of the fly ash stabilization and the conveyor laydown area, which is currently in the location of the radial stacker. In this area, you can see the woodyard phase 1 stabilization effort. And just ahead of us, we're approaching the radial log crane earthwork. Ahead in the distance is the Entergy substation. We're now heading north towards line 4. Line 3 underground conduit is approximately 60% complete. Line 2 foundations have started and all undergrounds are complete. And line 1 mechanical erection is approximately 21% complete at the time of this video. Ahead of us is line 1 mechanical erection. We're now panning towards line 2 foundations. And then towards line 3 underground electrical and line 4, which is currently being used for laydown. We're now heading southeast towards the edge of the rail loop area. The civil work that's being conducted ahead of us is for the box culvert installation. Directly to our left is the retention pond. Directly ahead of us is the UP main track. The area along the rail track was recently cleared for AT&T and Sprint to lower their fiber lines. This is approximately the same general area of where Enmark's gas line is that will need to be lowered in the future. Directly ahead of us is the approximate area of where the center point gas line needs to be lowered. as well as all the railroad sanitary crossings. We're flying west along the railroad track back towards the east side of the plant now.